How to check Domino's pizza allergen information. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Domino's nutritional information and allergens page. Here, simply scroll down and you'll find all the menu items. And to check allergen information, at the bottom of the specific menu item, you'll find allergens, and it includes milk, soy, gluten. You can scroll through it and see other allergens that are available in the other menu items as well by simply scrolling down. You'll find allergens at the bottom of all the products. This is how to check Domino's pizza allergen information. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.